We can upscale images to 8K in just 1 minute. Besides this process, we'll also discuss batch processing issues for videos. Let's first look at how to upscale to 8K. The first process scales it up to 2K. At this stage, we use image scaling to constrain the longer side, and there's no need to worry about aspect ratio issues here. Then, the second step is to upscale to 8K. From 2K to 8K is actually a fourfold difference, which is achieved through SD upscaling, amplifying it by 4 times. The above content provides a 2K preview and an 8K preview. A comparison between this and the original image should make it easy to understand. This places a fixed paradigm. On its GitHub page, the standard process is like this, and it comes with an acceleration model called Lightning. So there's also a Lightning model in this workflow. Recommended to use Teacher Tuozen's Hello World acceleration model, which can generate images in 6 to 8 steps. Of course, it's also an update message. I've combined it with the AnyNight preprocessor and the Mr. Night contrast net, and the results are quite good. You can download it from the website Libre AI. Now, let's talk about batch processing. There's batch processing for images and batch processing for videos. There is a node called Load Images that allows you to load all images within a folder from a single directory for batch processing. This node comes from the video assistant. So that's the end of batch processing images.
It works when I actually do it.
Then comes batch processing of videos. If your computing power is strong enough, there's really nothing special about this place. You just need to load the module and the video. Similarly, this node comes from the video assistant, connecting this frame here, and that's it. That means there won't be any problems if we do it this way, right? If the performance isn't strong enough, it may cause the graphics memory to overflow, or the speed will become extremely slow due to insufficient graphics memory. What should I do? Here's a rather simple approach. First, convert the video into images. Load the video on the left and save the images to your local machine. Set up a local path, then use a queue. This will split the video into these images. Can other software do that? Can be done. Completely can be done, but it will become very troublesome. For example, P2. So this brings us back to the previous method, batch processing of images. After batch processing images, how do we export them as videos? For example, if we batch resize images, they're all still images. How can we combine them into a video? It's still this node. On the left side, we load an image from the path, paste the path in, merge it into a video. I've also tested it here, and it works. That should be the correct process. Or click the link in the description to register and get 1,200 coins. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.